अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम जा रहे हैं बाहर लंच के लिए। मेरा तबीयत आज कुछ ख़राब था तो खाना पकाने की मन नहीं कर रही थी, तो हस्बैंड ने बोला छोड़ दो, मैं बाहर से ऑर्डर कर देती हूँ। तो सुमैया फरहान ने बोला नहीं नहीं, उसको बाहर जाके खाना खाना है। तो सोचा ठीक है, हम चलते हैं, आप लोग भी हमारे साथ रहिए।
Assalamu alaikum. Actually, I was about to come in the last time, as you know, the video started without me. Yeah, because I was like, at that moment of time, I was getting ready, and my mom and my sister started the video without me. So, right now, we are like in the car. Yeah, we got into the taxi.
We are going.
Yeah, we are going to our destination. Actually, I think we are going out for our lunch, and when we'll reach. It's taking a lot of time to reach there, and we all are feeling very hungry. That's why we thought that we'll first go and then eat something light.
Oh, there are so KFC banners. I'm feeling more hungry.
Okay, so we'll reach there and have something like snacks. Then we're gonna go and buy the mobile. And oh, I forgot to tell you, the mobile we're going to buy for our mom because it's her birthday and we wanted to give her a surprise.
Yeah.
And we didn't tell it to her.
Treat.
Now she's really excited. I will show you. To buy the mobile, and it was taking a lot of time, and we got a lot of hungry, and then we started to find some restaurant to eat, and we couldn't find a nice restaurant, so we thought that we'll like only buy the mobile and then go somewhere else. But then my mom was like so hungry and my sister was also so hungry. We just stopped in this somewhere and we are just eating this shawarma, everyone. Then we'll go. Now we have reached like the mobile store, and then we choose the mobile, and then we already ordered it, and the uncle has bought it, and now he's just opening the packaging.
It's looking so nice.
Yeah, he's showing us. And now he opened, like we bought it in the white color. It's S22 Ultra. Now that's what it looks like. I think he's powering it on so that we can finish our settings, and then I don't know, just give it to our mom. It's switched on. Now take a look. Wait, I'll show you. Like it's still powering on.
It's taking a lot of time.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's. Oh yeah, welcome. We have reached to this sea. Check this out.
It's so nice.
Yeah, means after a long time we have come here. Oh, good. And here's my sister. Here, I'll stand here. There's my mom. Self. This is all.
And
This is so beautiful. There are some boats and ships.
oh, is that a ship?
Yeah, of course. See, those. We're thinking about going on one, but it's too hot.
Yeah, but I will go.
Check this out. Check out the view. The water is like green. See? See. The view.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
Now we are here in the boat. We are going to the boat, like from this side to that side. We will be traveling in the boat. We are sitting in the boat. Wait this out. I cannot show. But see. That boat is coming. The boat started moving like backward, I could say. It started moving, just it's moving forward. I think we will reach the next part very fast. We have reached in the other side and people are already getting off. The boat ride is finished. It was fun. I mean, a lot of fun. Actually, we enjoyed. Yeah. Now we are going back. Like, we are not going back, we're going to a restaurant. The traffic. This is the pedestrians underpass. I'll show you. See. We go by underway. This is the map, as you can see. And some of you must be thinking the soup. It means market actually. This is the map. Now we'll be heading to a restaurant. I'll see you then.
Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked.
First, I had ordered the kebab biryani, and it came with hot tikka biryani. I'm gonna try it first.
I want to eat this tikka biryani.
It's
It is
that
nice.
hot. It's not that hot. It's like taste is fine. You want some? Because it.
What are different?
Why?
I want a different.
Really? How much difference?
Little bit.
To be honest,
That is very tasty.
I'm gonna try the kebab.
Me too. It's good.
I will wait for the other food also. Mom is currently making it into like equal division for everyone.
Yeah.
The other orders have almost arrived. I'll take this. It's really yummy. As I expected. Oh, it came so very nice dish. I really want to show. This looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. It's like the karai chicken. I'll show you. Ooh, sorry. I'll show you. I'll try this out. This one's very yummy. It's so hot. Finally, I think whatever we ordered arrived. It's so yummy. We ordered the drinks also. Man, I can't believe. I didn't expect this much. Now we're having the food. And it's very tasty. This chicken is really yummy. I'll show you. This chicken is really yummy.
Mutton. Yeah, I can't say no to
Sorry, I just got confused every time I do. This is kind of mutton. Not chicken. I'll give it 1 minute. This one's really hot. See this one?
This is different.
That's the naan. I think we are eating. I'll see you after we are done. Eating.
Not with this thing.
It's really yum. How's it? Okay.
Take mine.
Good.
We have finished everything on the table that we ordered except for this dal. Actually, we didn't notice this dal, and now we are full. We cannot eat anymore. We finished a single thing. Now we are heading home because we are done eating and we are in the car. Can you see that's the Dubai International Airport?
I can see 2 aeroplanes.
No, there are many.
Oh, now I can see 4.
There are many. Just get with it. There were many. And then, I think that's like the metro line. I think up ahead there is a metro station. Yeah, check this out. Yeah, that was a metro station. So we had our food and now I'm full. Now we're heading home and then we'll just rest for a bit, and then tomorrow is Monday. We're gonna pack our bags. Have to go to school. Oh, for now, bye bye, masalama. See you in the next video.